Ishwar is putting his Nigraha Shakti upon us to make us sensitive. I do wrong because I'm insensitive to certain thing. Wrong means a person is insensitive to somebody's pain. So pain is given to sensitize the person. So when you go through a pain, you feel, oh, I must have done something to get this. What I have must have done. So you become more sensitive. And therefore he is using his Nigraha Shakti to cure us. But he has anger because to punish little anger is required. He has a controlled anger for me. And therefore I am trying to pacify him. And prayer is meant to melt him. Melt him means what? Please don't give me any problem. There is a power to forgive in everybody. Please get my point. We all forgive and we should forgive. There is a power to forgive. This power to forgive in the microcosm has come from macrocosm. This power to forgive, are you getting my point? If the water is in the tap, it means there must be big reservoir of water. Right? If there is little, we breathe little air, there must be infinite air in the macrocosm. If we have forgiveness, that means that forgiveness would have come from that macrocosmic forgiveness. Infinite forgiveness is there somewhere. To invoke that infinite forgiveness, we chant Rudram. I need lot of forgiveness. Supposing I don't, then he will use his Nigraha Shakti. Somebody were very angry, he said very bad thing, whole night I could not sleep. Why? He said such a foolish thing to me. He said, you are like that. Morning he came, I was very angry seeing him. But moment he said, please forgive me, I am wrong. I troubled you in so many ways. Please forgive me. Very, very sorry. All my anger went away. So as that, our anger goes away, and I was cursing him, now I start blessing him. Similarly, he is saying, please take away the weapons again and again. Please take away the quiver. Please take away the sword. Please take away the arrows that you have. That arrows are lost to give punishment. It's a picturization of the lost which are about to give punishment. About to come as some problematic person around me. About to give as some kind of physical problem. I hope this is clear. Therefore, first Anuvak is to quieten. And he can give anything. To Sudama he gave, there is no logic how he gives. He can give the whole kingdom to Sudama. He can give sari to Draupadi. Ishwar doesn't need something to produce something. From anything he can bring it out. And therefore we are chanting this to invoke, to make him softer for me. You know, some people have hard image in your mind and some have soft image. To create a soft image of myself in his mind is prayer. Again I say. Prayer, this is called Namaha. Namaha means to create a softer image. The virtues, all virtues are based on humility only. On becoming small only. On accepting my mistake. I am wrong, I accept that. I'll improve, I'll accept that. I'm pleading to him. And therefore this is chanted many times. Maharudram, Atirudram, Shatrudram. Not one time. 11 times. 21 times. 51 times. 100 times. Bigger problems are there 200 times. Why? Somebody, you have to continuously say, I'm very sorry, please forgive, please. He has to forgive. Arey tum chup ho jao, I will forgive you. Chalo, keep quiet. पीछे पड़ गए हमारे तुम तो. Your mistake is very good, very big. Bigger is the mistake, more is this chanting required. Many things we do, when we are not sensitive, we don't know that this is the wrong thing also. Now let us chant now. We'll chant from the beginning. You can repeat after me. Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. Om Namaste Rudra Manyava Utota Ishave Namaha. Namaste Astu Dhanvane Bahubhyam Mudate Namaha. Yata Ishu Shivatama Shivam Babhuvate Dhanuhu. Shiva Sharavyaya Tavataya No Rudramudaya. Yate Rudra Shiva Tanura Ghora Bapakashini. Taya Nastanava Shantamaya Girishanta Bichakashihi. Yamishum Girishante Haste Bivarshastave. Shivam Giritratam Kurumahigam Si Purusham Jagata. Shivena Vachasa Tva Girishachadavamasi. Yatha na sarvamid jagadak yakshmagam sumana asata. Adhyavochadadi vakta prathamo devyo bhishaka. Ahigamscha sarvaan jambhayan sarvaashchayatu dhanyah. Asauyastamro aruna utababro sumangalah. Ye che magam rudra abito dikshu shrita sahasrasho vaishagam hedaimahe. Asauyo vasarpati nilakriyo vilohitah. Utainam gopadrishan adrishanudaryah. Utainam vishva bhutani sadrishto mridayatinah. Namo astu nilagrivaya sahasrakshaya midushe. Atho ye asya sattva noham tebhyo karan namaha. Pramuncha dhanmanastvam ubhayor yartiyorjam. Yascha te hasta ishava parata bhagavo vapa. Avatatya dhanustvagam sahasrakshashate shudhe. Nishirya shalyanam mukha shivo na sumana bhava. This is the 11th verse. So, 11th mantra it is said. He says, Tvam. See the word here. Avatatya dhanuhu tvam. You. Again, yesterday I said, you alone can do it. God alone can solve the problem. I always say that. Please don't solve the problem of the world by the world. One who solves problem of the world by world is worldly. One who solves problem of the world by God, he is devotee. And one who solves the problem of the world by going to the self is a jnani. It is up to you. But as far as my experience goes, problem of the world cannot be solved by the world. Any issue cannot be solved by being in the issue. Better to go out of the issue to solve the problem. Somebody can come here. There is some space here. So it is said here, Nishirya Shalyanam, he can come here. Avatatya dhanustvam. What is said here? Tvam. What it says here? Avatatya. Avatatya in Sanskrit is called having done that. Lep pratyaya. There is one pratyaya called lep pratyaya. One is tva pratyaya, there is called lep pratyaya. Well, what is all this tyato? So tvam, keep on listening, what is the problem? Well, I am already in trouble. Why you are putting more in trouble? So tvam, so making it free of the string. Avatatya means having made it free from the string. And Sahasraksha. You have 1,000 eyes. Why? Because everywhere his eyes are there. Yesterday I told you, main problem is he's inside our mind seeing everything. If he is not there, he can't give the fruits of action. Because big area of fruits of action is through the intention of the person, sankalpa of the person. And Shateshude. Shateshude means one who has many quivers. Oh, many quivers. He's not short of, his food to khatam ho gaya aaj ka, kal aayega. Nahi. Fruit is not over. Uske paas anand fruit hai. He can create any situation to give any fruit. Two-head people can come. When I was here in Singapore, 2 girls were there whose head was joined. One surgery was performed here only. अब बताओ ये क्या फ्रूट है यार, गजब का फ्रूट देते हो भगवान. अब Allah both are like that. बाप रे बाप. Any fruit he can give. अच्छा हाँ. And from the childhood my lungs has holes. It's a holy lung. कहाँ से holes आ गया एक? So that is there. Shateshude. And very good fruit also he can give. Nishirya Shalyanam Mukha. Shalya means arrow. So arrow. Nishirya means blunting. Please blunt that tip of the arrow. I'm very afraid. I may get bad fruit, but give it in very dilute form. No, but your horoscope says that you are about to fall from the 2nd floor. Your fruit says. Why? Because you pushed your wife in the last to last birth and she had fracture for 2 months. So you also will fall down. But I'm chanting Rudram now, Bhagwan. I'm sorry for that wife also, wherever she is, let her be happy. So, but now my problem is, okay, now you will not fall from the 2nd floor, but you will fall from the stairs. That is called blunt effect. Instead of having heavy fracture, you will have a sprain for 4 days. Well, you not totally fruit won't, because you have hardly chanted once, and that you are chanted without uddat, anuddat. So, because your chanting is not okay, therefore I am diluting the fruit. No, but how many times shall I chant to take away the fruit? You have chanted hundreds of times. Oh, I think that falling is better. Nishirya Shalyanam Mukha. Please blunt that. Dilute the fruit of action at least. Bhagwan, I have chanted and seen how the fruits get diluted. So don't think it is just a hearsay. We don't know. To make somebody happy, you have to find out what he likes. You can't feed anything to anybody and say, somebody brought one dish in Durban. Bole, you have to eat it. I said, but I don't take it. Bole, you have to eat it. ऐसा नहीं होता है. what chanting Bhagavan likes, then we have to chant that only. What flower he likes, you have to offer that flower only. You can't offer Tulsi dal to Lord Shiva. He is not happy at all. But in my yard only Tulsi is there. No, that is your problem. You have to take Bilpatra somewhere. देवी जी never asked, never offered तुलसी. गणेश जी तो ऑफर ही मत करो तुलसी. दोनों का झगड़ा बहुत ज्यादा है. गणेश जी don't offer tulsi. Devi ji likes red flower. Shiv ji likes white flower. They also have a lot of likes and dislikes. No, they have not likes and dislikes. They have assumed to make us available for upasana. You cannot please somebody unless he takes some likes. So he has liked something. So Lord Shiva likes this chanting only, or he likes Om Namah Shiva only. Om Namah Bhagavate Vasudeva, Lord Krishna will like, and Lord Vishnu will like. If Devi ji is there, she will like Om Am Reem Klim Chamunda. So that mantra is different. They have their own ways. Ganesh ji will like hibiscus flower, he will like. Jabakusum flower. Or he will like Durva. So they all have taken something or the other.